Hello and welcome. This is Jay Chandran. In this video, I'm going to explain you how to install GNS application so that you can you can work on Cisco routers and Cisco switches. Now, this is the application that you need to download, the setup file that you need to download from Google. It's freely available, or from GNS website you can download this. Now, the GNS that I'm installing is 8.3 version. Now double click this and then you will get message like this, say yes and then say next, agree, next. Just follow the screen and always give OK and next. Next. Done. Now it takes some time. Click next. Yep, hope it is done now. Now if I finish, we'll start GNS. Right, done. So this is how we get and this section, you no need. If you want to drag and keep it down, you can keep it down, or if you want to close it, you can close it. Like this also, if you want to keep topology summary, means whatever the router that I drag and drop, I can see here in a small form. Now next step, that what we need to do is we need to copy the images. Now I have the images in my this thing. One second, I'll go to the pen drive. Yep. So I want to copy 7.2 series image and 3.7 series images. I copy and I paste it to C:program file GNS3. C:program file GNS3. Just paste anywhere inside this. I'm using Windows 7, so a lot of confirmation it asks yes always. Allow yes, all this command need to be given, and then go back to GNS, edit, iOS, click here this button. It will take you to GNS. Go to GNS folder itself. No, one more. Go to C:program file GNS3. Yes, here you should find that image. Look at this. You have a 7.2 series image. Click open and say save. And then one more image if you want. Again click, locate the file GNS3 3.7 series. Say OK. And then close. This is not done. No, still it is not done. Go to preference and click on dynamics and click here test setting. You should get green color confirmation. Yep, dynamics is successfully started. Apply and say OK. Once close and then restart. Now if you drag and drop this router, it should come. It has come. First router has come. So these things are not needed. If you want, you can keep it. Now how to start this router? Click on this button. Now this will become green here. That is a confirmation that it has started. Green. If you want one more router, drag and drop. If you want to connect a cable, fast Ethernet or serial or whatever, you can just click on these two after clicking the interface. Now if I'll start, you can also start like this, right click and start. If you want to start many routers together, click on this one router, just right click and say start. You can stop, you can also reload stuff. Now if you want to see the console of this router separately, right click and say console. To increase the font size, right click, change setting, appearance, change setting, and then increase the font size. Goes like this, bigger size. You can also drag like this. Router 1. Now another router, change setting, appearance, bold, 16. Done. Now this is how we install a GNS and then an operating system for routers on GNS. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.